we start our lesson today, I would like to get your attendance first. So, who is absent today?
No one, Miss.
No one? Wow, very good. Okay, so do you know what is chapter that we are going to learn today? Yes, Tiara?
Regulation system, Miss.
Very good, Tiara. Your answer is right. Today, we are going to learn about regulation system. This chapter is divided to three materials. The first is endocrine system, the second one is reproduction system, and the last one we are going to learn today. Do you know what it is? No one know? Okay, Miss will give you a hint. This system is very important to our daily activity. We can hear, we can see, we can smell, and we can feel a heart because this system. So, what it is? Yes, Dito?
The sensory system, Miss.
Yeah, very good. So, before we start our lesson today, let me prepare our material first. Wait a minute. So, the sensory system is a part of coordination system that serve as a recipient of stimulus, or it called receptor. The sensory system consists of various organ and function. We as a human have 5 of sense organ. Would you like to mention them? Raise your hand first. Okay, Tiara.
Sistem indera memiliki 5 organ indera, yaitu mata, hidung, telinga, lidah, dan kulit.
Right. Perfect scores for you, Tiara. Our body have 5 of sense organ. First is eyes. Our eyes is sensitive to light. It called photoreceptor. There are 2 cells that have important function to our seeing activity. The cells called rod cells and cone cells. The rod cell or cell bacil is sensitive to minimal light and not sensitive to color. Because of the rod cell, we can see in the middle of dark. Meanwhile, the cone cell is the cell that sensitive to light and color. Next. Okay. The second, we have ears. Our ears sensitive to the voice. It called phonoreceptor. Our ears can be function as a balance of our body. It because in our ear there was a semicircular channels, or in Indonesian we know as saluran setengah lingkaran. And third, we have nose. Our nose is sensitive to smell. It called chemoreceptor. Inside our nose there are fine hair that serve to filter dirt. Next, we have tongue. Our tongue is very sensitive to taste. We can enjoy our food because in our tongue there are papillae. The shape of the papillae is like spots that sensitive to touch. This papillae is very important to us. We can recognize the taste of food and keep in our mind. So if someone asks you how chili tastes like, you will answer them that chili have hot taste, right? Okay, the last is skin. Our skin sensitive to touch. It called thermoreceptor. In our skin there are a neuron cell. Because of the presence of neuron cell, we can feel of hot, cold, tension, and hurts when we get pinched. We cannot imagine if we don't have a neuron cell in our skin. We can touch the fire without feeling pain. We can stand strike in the middle of Arctic without wearing jacket and coat. Apakah ada yang mau seperti ini? Tentunya tidak ya. Oke, sampai di sini. Any question, Kelas?
No.
No? Okay, we can going to the next material. This is the disturbance of sensory system. The first is myopy. Myopy is the disturbance that eyes cannot see the object from away. It called nearsightedness. The second one is hypermetropy. Hypermetropy is the disturbance that eyes cannot see the object from near. Deafness. It happens cause. Next, we have hyposmia. Hyposmia is the condition that our nose is decrease the capability of smelling. The last one is canker sores. In Indonesian, we known as sariawan. It cause of bacteria. The name of the bacteria is Candida albicans. Okay, this is the last of our lesson today. Any questions, Class? No? Okay. Before we close our lesson today, would you like to tell our friends, all our friends in this class, about the conclusion of the lesson today? Raise your hand. Perfect. Right, Dito. Stand up and tell your friend about your conclusion in front of the class.
The conclusion of lesson today is regulation system in our body consists of sensory system. The sensory system have 5 organs that take responsibility. There's eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skins. All of the organs have their function and work together for helping humans to do their activity. The sensory system have disturbance too.
Bravo, thank you, Dito. So, class, this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you can more know about your sensory system and keep it healthy forever in your life. Before we close it will be better if we take pray first. Pray begin. Finish. Thank you for today, class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.